Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. So I am super excited to do this video today because I have worked super hard to be able to buy these things for myself, and no, they're not the most expensive things from the Gucci store or from Louis Vuitton, but your girl worked hard for it and I decided to finally treat myself. So these are my first pieces from Gucci and Louis Vuitton, so I was like, might as well do a haul and show you guys because I'm just very proud of myself. I just want to do a quick disclaimer. No, I am not even showing this to brag or to show off, but come on, like, I have worked super hard. I work 2 jobs, I upload on YouTube, and I am in school, so the struggle is real. And I finally was just like, you know what, I saw these things, I fell in love with them, and I was like, I need to have them. It's nothing crazy like other people that are spending like thousands of dollars on like one specific item. So yeah, please don't feel like I am bragging or I'm trying to show off or any of that. I did not purchase these all in one day. These are actually pieces that I have between like 2-ish months. I purchased them. Like, I bought one thing and then I saw another thing and then I saw another thing, and here we are 3 things later. Alright, so the first thing, I guess we'll go in order of like how I purchased everything. So the first thing I ever bought, this was my first Louis Vuitton item. So I bought this online. I saw it on Instagram. I wanted to buy it, but it was sold out everywhere, and I kept just like stalking the site basically. It came in stock online like a week after me just like stalking the whole website. And this is my toiletry 26, I think it's a 26 toiletry pouch. How cute. So that is what it looks like. This one was made in France. That's what the back side looks like. So this has the monograms going downwards and this has them going forward. And then that is what the inside looks like. I really like it. It's very cute to bring. I really like carrying this around. The only thing is it doesn't have a strap, obviously, so you always have to have it like in your hands, which for me is not that big of a deal. Like, I really like it. I think it is so cute and it fits so many things in here. Like, you can put your phone, your wallet, papers. Like, it's good. Like, it has good room. I believe it retailed for, I want to say, around $600. I will have the price on the screen and the link in the description if you want to try and pick it up yourself. But this is the bag. So then, because I bought this, my wallet that I had, it was just too chunky. Like, I wanted a small card holder, something tiny to fit inside of this. And I had my eye on a Gucci one, which, yes, I know, cross-branding. Next item. We went to the Gucci store and we bought little cute I was debating between colors. I didn't know if I wanted a black one or the pink one, and I ended up going with the pinky, like nudish color one. So it has 4 slots, 2 at the front, 2 at the back, and then a little in the middle. And the reason I got this color is because I do eventually want to buy the bag to match this. And I didn't like any of the Louis Vuitton card holders. I was like searching for one and I couldn't find any that I liked. I didn't like the quality. I went in store and I saw the 2, and then as soon as I saw this, I was like, okay, I like this one better. The material, it just feels very like well made, where the Louis Vuitton I feel is more like flimsy, kind of light. So I like this. I feel like it is more durable. And so yeah, I didn't go for the basic black color, even though it is really pretty, but I just figured I really want this in the purse version, and I'm gonna get it for myself for when I graduate. That's gonna be like my graduation gift to myself, or if my parents want to gift that to me, they can do that as well. But I know that I do really want to get the purse to match this because I just think it is so cute. I saw it in store one day and I was almost about to buy it, but it was the same day I had just bought my new MacBook, and my boyfriend was like, no, you're not buying both at the same time. So I obviously stuck with my MacBook because I needed it more for school and editing. So for a while I was cross-branding and I had this. It fits really well into that toiletry pouch. I really liked all the space that it had. it wasn't too chunky, and it was just something that I could have my cards in. But then later on I realized I get a lot of change, and I used to put the change, like try to put it in here, but obviously it would come out, there was no zipper, it wasn't secure. So then I was like, okay, this isn't gonna cut it. And then I wanted like a coin purse. That's when I found the perfect one. I went back to Louis and I saw this online again, and basically of course it was sold out, and I just had to keep stalking the site, stalking the site, refreshing every day. I literally checked every day, and then randomly one day I saw the website and it said add to cart, and I was freaking out because I was like, oh my god, should I buy it, should I not buy it? So this is it. A little key holder, and that is what it looks like. Now this one was made in Paris. Honestly, if I had seen this earlier before the Gucci one, I wouldn't have bought the Gucci one, because now that I have this, I stick my cards in there, my change in there, my cash in there. Like, I stick everything in here, and I don't find myself levitating towards the Gucci one anymore, because this is so much more convenient. You have the zipper, like you can put everything in here, and I just grab this and I go, and like, it's so much more convenient. So if you guys are looking for a coin purse, I would suggest like even looking into one of these. Like, this is called the key pouch. I would suggest looking into this because it is so handy. Honestly, I don't even put my keys on it, because my car key is like a push to start. It doesn't have the actual key to like put in the engine. You just push the button. So there's no point of that, and my house keys already have a keychain. So honestly, I walk around with this in my finger if I don't want to bring like my purse or anything. I just walk around with it like this, or I put it in my pocket because it is so small but so convenient, and I stuff so many things in here. So I would definitely say go for this one if you were debating between a card holder and this like key pouch. Definitely go for this one. It's just way more practical because this one only has 4 slots for a card hold, like cards, and then this thing, but this one can also fit 4 cards with cash and change. So it's like the same size pretty much. This is it. It's just a little bit bigger. This one is a little bit longer, but this one is a little bit chunkier, like taller, but this one is like longer. Honestly, if you are debating between these two, definitely I would say go for this one. And just, unless you're somebody that never has cash, but I carry cash like a lot, I always have change and everything, so this one is more sense for me. But I still really like this, and I still will use it when I have the other purse that I want to buy eventually. But I find myself levitating to this all the time now. I really like it. And I'm so happy that they had this one in stock because I was waiting. That way it could kind of just be the same, especially when I put it in like that, so I could just take it out and it's kind of the same print. I didn't want to have too many like different prints going on, so I figured might as well just match this bag with that little key pouch, and then if I want to get a different print, I can get a different print in another bag or anything like that. But yeah guys, that is everything, and I was super excited to share with you guys. I just wanted to share with you guys my first ever Louis Vuitton and Gucci purchases, and I'm low-key kind of thinking like if I hit like 15k, I kind of want to give one of these away. I'm at like what, almost 7k, but I feel like at like 15k or 20k subscribers when we get there, I want to give away one of these because I'm just obsessed with it. So you guys better start subscribing. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And yeah, that is everything I have to say. I really love this one. This one as well, I feel like it's very like sophisticated kind of, and it just like makes an outfit look that much more put together if I'm just like walking around with this. So yeah, I really like this. Would really recommend this one just because I love it and it goes with everything. And then this one, highly recommend as well. If you don't want to be carrying around your bag, you can still hold like everything, like your just cards and your change in this one, and then your phone in your other hand, or you can literally just do what I do. But yeah guys, that is everything for this Vlogmas video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to enter, or if you didn't know, I have a Vlogmas giveaway going on. It'll be linked in the description. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it, go see what you have to do to enter, and then you guys can enter and I will be picking the winner. I think there's like a week and a half left. So you still got some time, don't worry. Go watch the video linked in the description, and then enter the giveaway if you would like to win some of the goodies I am giving away. But yeah guys, thank you for watching this Vlogmas video, and I will see you in like tomorrow or the next day when I upload another Vlogmas video. So yeah, bye!